Hi, welcome to our online video series on learning to use your mobile devices. My name is Cassandra.
And I'm Kate, and we're from NEOnet's TechSocial program.
In this video, we will demonstrate how to back up and update your Apple or Android device.
The resources for this video can be found in Module 1 on our website, neonet.on.ca, or by clicking the link below.
Let's start with Apple. Updating your iPhone or iPad is important routine maintenance to keeping your device running smoothly. The most important reason to update your device is to ensure any flaws or bugs in the software are fixed. Some updates are also meant to introduce new features. Before updating your Apple device, make sure to save a backup on iCloud. See Module 8 on our website for more information on iCloud. Connect your device to a Wi-Fi network. Go to Settings, Your Name, and tap iCloud. If you're using iOS 10.2 or earlier, go to Settings, then scroll down and tap iCloud. Tap iCloud Backup. If you're using iOS 10.2 or earlier, tap Backup. Make sure that the cloud backup is turned on. Tap Backup now. Stay connected to your Wi-Fi network until the process completes. You can check the progress and confirm the backup completed. Go to Settings, Your Name, iCloud, Backup. Under Backup Now, you'll see the date and time of your last backup. Now that your Apple device is backed up via iCloud, you can safely proceed to update to the latest firmware. Make sure your device is plugged into a power outlet and is connected to wireless internet. Tap Settings, General, and select Software Update. A red icon will indicate if there's an update available. Tap and download and install. To update now, tap Install. You can also choose to update at a later time. Make sure that your device is plugged into a power source and your phone will update while you're sleeping. Your device will then update and you will have the latest firmware on your device.
Now, on to Android. It is very important to back up your data regularly and to ensure your Android device is on the most updated firmware. This action protects your phone or tablet. There are a few ways to back up your data on Android devices. Unlock your phone, go to Settings, scroll down until you find the Backup and Reset option. Select your Google account, then simply back up your data to Google Cloud. And when you finish upgrading, you can simply restore data from Google Drive. There might be some differences on settings according to your phone brand and system. For newer software, open your device settings app. Tap on Systems and then tap Backup. Turn Backup to Google Drive on. When a new software update is made available, a notification will populate. Tap Download and Install to begin downloading the update for your device. This may take anywhere from 5 minutes to an hour or longer. Some updates may in fact be full-fledged operating software updates, or they may be version updates. You can also manually check to see if there's an update by heading over to the Settings app and tapping on About Phone. Selecting System Updates, tap Download and Install. This may take a few moments. Your device may require a restart.
We hope this video has helped answer some of your questions about how to back up and update your Apple or Android device. For more information, see Module 1 on our website, neonet.on.ca, or click the link below.
We would like to thank the Ontario Trillium Foundation, the Ontario Seniors Community Grant, and the Timmins Venture Centre for funding this program and these videos. Thank you for watching.